Morning, my friends. I've got the Torx on the operation table today. I've got a good suggestion from Captain Fantastic that maybe when I put the lever on choke there on the top, that it might need adjustment for the butterfly or the choke to close fully, because it's a little bit hard starting, as I mentioned in the first video. So let's pop this off and see if the butterfly or the choke open or close, whatever around, do it perfectly. Okay guys, check it out. It is now on stop, totally stop. Okay, I'm going to take it to high revs, full revs. Okay, this is full revs, and now I'm going to choke it. Okay, now I want to show you something. You see, there's still a fair amount of a gap. If I pull this lever, it can close more, and I think that is full choke. So what needs to be happen is I need to adjust it there on that, adjust it there so that it push it totally open on choke, and then we're going to start it and see if it make a difference, because it's still cold. Okay, let me do that. Okay guys, I set it there to the maximum, and the choke it can't go further, so that slack is now taken up. So let's put it together and see if it will start easier. Maybe just it was a matter of the choke doesn't operate as it should. Okay guys, let's try it. It's cold and on choke. That made all the difference. That sounds nice. Okay guys, Captain Fantastic, man, your plan works like a dream. Brendan, thank you. That was now a success story. I just set it here so that it's now on off, but the moment I put it on full, this will come forward and just touch there, and when it go to choke it, push it further in. Okay guys, thank you, see you on the next one. That was a success. Thank you, bye.